Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about dynamic content and expressions in Power Automate, two powerful tools that make your flow smarter and fully automated. Let's start with dynamic content. Dynamic content is just a way to use information from your trigger or previous actions in your flow. For example, if someone submits a Microsoft form, you can grab their name or email and automatically use it in the next step. You could send a personalized email, create a SharePoint list item, or update an Excel row, all without typing anything manually. Now, expressions let you do more with that data. Think of expressions like little formulas that let you format, combine, or calculate values. For instance, *format a date, you might want to turn a raw date like 2025-08-28 into something readable like August 28, 2025. *combine text, you can create a message like "Hello John, your request is approved" by joining the name from dynamic content with a message. *conditional logic, you can tell your flow to do something only if a condition is met. For example, if the priority is high, send an immediate email. If it's normal, send it later. Imagine someone submits a form with their name and request date. You want to send an email that says, "Hello \name, your request submitted on \date has been approved." Use dynamic content for the name and an expression to format the date nicely. Another example, you could automatically combine multiple fields into one message, or calculate a total if your flow collects numbers. Expressions give you that flexibility and make your flow smart and automated. Dynamic content and expressions are the secret to powerful flows. Once you start using them, you'll be able to personalize your automations, format data perfectly, and even make decisions automatically, all without manual effort. And that's it. Now you know how to use dynamic content to grab information from triggers and previous actions, and how to use expressions to format, combine, or calculate your data. With these tools, you can make your flow smart, automated, and personalized, saving time and reducing manual work. Try experimenting with your own flows, using dynamic content and expressions to see what you can automate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your questions or ideas for future Power Automate tutorials. I read every comment and can make new videos based on your suggestions. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!